Gear up, boys. Our detectives just hit the jackpot following a new lead for methamphetamine production in 213 Park and need some door kickers for the job. They booked this tweaking gangbanger for shooting up a 4U station the other day. The fool had a note in his pocket all about this meth lab in 213 Park. He was planning on spending his earnings from the robbery up there.
How do we know it's legit?
Good question. Well, as our luck would have it, a uniformed patrol just happened to drive near the house a few days ago and picked up what they presumed was a hit-and-run victim by the side of the road. It turned out he was a runner for the guys that run the neighborhood. He admitted everything while in the back of the ambulance. He was in a bad way and wanted to clear his conscience. He'd pocketed the cash from this big deal he'd overseen. He was planning on skipping town with this hooker or something like that. They tortured him in the attic of this house and left him for dead. Once the hospital got him stabilized, he sang like a bird. He told us everything he could about this place in exchange for immunity.
What sort of premises are we dealing with?
We're dealing with multiple. There are 2 properties, both empty. One went into foreclosure and somehow got lost in the bank's systems. Nobody's touched it since. The second is a house just to the north. The family was killed during a robbery on their way to the airport. The house was being fumigated, and it sat that way empty ever since. Nobody seems to want the thing, but they're just the top layer. Our boy Reese managed to explain that there's a secret garage built under the property. That's where the heaviest footfall is happening. That's where we need to be. We've got the house under surveillance, but Reese gave us the core opening hours. That's when we move. The orders are to arrest at least 2 suspects at the property for detectives to pursue this investigation. We nail them and get this lab shut down, and it's a big check in the win column. We won't be welcome in this part of town. I'm sure most of you here know how its residents feel about police presence, so this will be a big crackdown. Be advised that we have no information on suspects or civilians other than the possibility many will be under the influence of methamphetamine and be highly erratic and potentially violent on contact. Not to mention gang activity, meaning the presence of firearms on persons within the meth house, so I would advise you proceed with extreme caution. We don't want to cause a riot, and lethal force is only permissible as a defensive measure. Am I clear on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want us to split into 3 teams. First team, I want you to take the first property. Sweep it. Arrest anybody that gets in your way. I want that house cleared and the garage held. Nobody gets in and nobody gets out until we've processed them. This mission is just as much about making a statement to the 213 district as it is about anything else.
Behind you.
This is TOC. Entry team. Suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in.
Hands up!
To TOC.
Contact is down.
TOC to entry team. Copy that, entry team. Proceed with mission.
Arms outstretched. I haven't seen digging like this before.
Making it safe.
Got them all zipped up.
Keep your hands up!
Not a chance, fucker!
Police, don't fucking move!
You! Drop the weapon and get down! Fuck you! Not a chance!
Police, get down on the ground!
Hands up!
Police,
Don't move!
fuck you!
LSPD,
Not a
get
chance!
down!
Now!
LSPD, don't move!
Restraining. Don't make any movements.
Reporting. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Got him. Good to go. Stay still.
Secured.
I'm fucked if parole checks in with me.
Talk. Suspect restrained and under our control.
Talk to entry team. Roger. Trailers inbound.
All team, mirror for contacts.
Done.
Wand is ready.
Out of the way, sir.
Use the mirror. Check for targets. On my 6.
I'm with you.
Mirror it.
Affirmative. I got the mirror. Open on the right. No device here. All clear.
Cover the area.
Getting into position.
Unlocked.
Move in and clear.
Roger. Move, move, move! Open on the right.
Good here.
Good here.
Let's go.
Open on the left.
I got nothing here.
Use the wand. Check for targets.
Hands up! Put it down. Motherfuckers! Should've bought more, pig! Watch the door, asshole!
Fall in.
Got your back.
Check it with the wand.
No problem. Mirror ready. Open on the right. Nothing. We're good.
We're clear.
You're in my spot.
Search and secure the area.
Lock at the closet.
Dynamic movement. Move and clear. Check the threshold.
Room clear.
Reaching!
I got nothing here.
Nothing.
Stay on me.
You got point.
Through the door and clear.
Confirmed.
Nothing locked.
Unlock it.
Multi-tool ready. Good to go.
Get the door and move in.
I'm going. Got an opening up ahead.
Nothing here, sir.
Good here.
Nothing.
Shit!
Down on your knees, slowly. Move in, clear the room.
That's affirmative.
Lead to talk.
Contact down.
Talk to entry team. Affirmative, entry team.
On the right.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Nothing. Empty over here. No contact.
Move, move, move! I got it.
Move in, clear it.
Moving out.
Police! Don't move!
Don't hurt me, please.
Let's go!
We should check everything.
Looks clear over here.
Chem light out.
Get down!
No! Okay, just don't rough me up.
Arrest him.
I'll get him ready. Stay calm for me, all right?
Keep your
Good to
hands
go.
behind your back.
Lead the dog.
Talk reporting.
Please, you got it all
Roger
wrong.
that. Trailers
Talk.
incoming.
Civilian good
Proceed
to
with
go for
caution.
evac.
Talk reporting. Roger. Trailers inbound.
On me.
I'm with you.
Get down! I want to see hands! Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
Moving!
Opening on the left. Empty over here. No contacts.
Looks clear over here, boss. You gonna move?
Provide support.
I got you.
Entry team to talk. Bagging. Element to talk. Bagging it up.
Looks like Reed was right about the locals making large moves.
Stay on me.
On you.
Mirror for suspects.
Copy.
I got the wand.
Open on the right.
Good. Area clear.
Open the door and flash it.
Moving up.
Are the kids playing with matches?
Hit the door with the shotgun. Flash it.
Got an opening up
Keep an eye
ahead.
out. I've had someone slip by me before.
Nothing here, sir.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Get out of there now!
Hey, get down!
Turn around.
Police, I want you to get down slowly.
I'll get the bed.
Stay still. Do not move.
I got it out.
Yours? Cut me loose, okay?
Entry team to talk. Suspect standing by for transportation.
Talk to Element.
They're good.
Copy that. Trailers
Element to
incoming.
talk. One in custody.
Talk to Element. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Enter and clear.
Getting into position.
Let's go! Looks clear over here, boss.
Lead the talk. Wounded civilian stable and prep for evac.
We gotta get her out of
This
here.
is Talk. Copy. Clean house, and we'll take them out.
Wanted.
Wand is ready.
Got multiple openings here. It's good. All clear.
Open the door. Clear it.
Confirmed.
Going in!
Opening on the right. Nothing here, sir.
Provide support on me.
Right with you.
Come here!
Get down! I want to see hands!
Gun's going
Put your
down.
hands up!
I'll safe it. Making it safe.
Talk. Collecting evidence.
Got him. Lead. Talk. Secure.
This
Suspect,
is
good to
Talk.
go.
Check it with the
Copy,
mirror.
entry team
On it.
notifying trailers.
Mirror's ready.
Hands up! Above your head!
Several openings. No device here. All clear.
Move in and clear.
Moving into place. Breaching! Opening on the left.
Good here.
Police, back to you! Suspect down! Get down and put your hands up! Let me see those hands! Copy.
Get down, now!
Suspect,
Element to talk. Suspect is down, but breathing.
Talk to entry team. Copy. Clean house, and we'll take them
Clear
out.
over here, boss. Got it back.
Got him. Suspect cuffed and secure. I'm going.
Search and secure the
on
area.
it.
On me. Move.
Got your back.
Get the door. Clear it.
Getting into place.
Going in!
Opening on the right.
Opening on the left.
Police, hands in the
I
air.
got nothing
Get
here.
down and don't move.
Dropping a light.
Fall in.
Got your back.
Entry
Get
team
him
to
ready.
talk.
Be
Collecting.
home soon.
Civilian ready to go. Entry team to talk. Civilian good to go.
Talk.
Fall in
report.
behind me.
On your
Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Move in and clear it.
Stacking.
Move!
Move! Opening on the left.
I got nothing here.
Slowly get down over here.
No contacts.
Enter the room and clear.
I'm going!
Nothing here,
Light
sir.
stick out.
Move in, clear the room.
That's affirmative.
Pie it.
Moving in.
Got an opening here.
Nothing.
I got it.
Element to talk.
No contact.
Element to talk.
Civilian is good to go.
Talk to entry
Compliant.
team. Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Down on the ground, now! Move in, clear the room.
Getting into place. Moving in!
Opening on the left.
I got nothing here.
I got nothing here.
Mirror for contacts.
On it. Wands ready. Nothing. We're good. One suspect in sight.
Open and flashbang.
10-4.
Flash out.
Got an opening.
Opening on the left.
Nothing. LSPD!
Keep my ass, pig.
Empty over here.
No contact.
Going into cuff.
Do not move.
Zipped up and good to go.
Entry team to talk. Secure.
Talk to entry team. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Get down!
Moving into handcuffs.
Zipped up, making it safe.
Civilian is cuffed. Good to go.
Civilian is good to go. Quiet.
Talk reporting. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
Move in and clear it.
Moving into place.
Reaching!
This is procedure.
Talk. Suspect ready.
How about I'm doing
Talk
fucking
reporting.
none of them?
Copy that.
Don't move.
Red team. Gold. Search and secure.
Roger that. The desks.
Evidence good to go.
Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang. Great job.